Welcome to the world of top-tier tire servicing with the TMG TTC42 heavy-duty truck tire changer, an indispensable machine for your tire shop or large-scale automotive service department. Engineered to handle tubeless truck, off-road, and agricultural tires up to a massive 59 inches, this machine is perfect for semi-trucks, trailers, forklifts, tractors, and other heavy machinery. With a maximum rim size capacity of 42 inches and a vertically designed upright positioning, the TMG TTC42 makes tire changes a breeze. Its integrated bead breaker, featuring a disc head attachment and bead hook, uses powerful air pressure to effortlessly separate the tire from the rim, significantly boosting your work efficiency. The machine's self-centering hydraulic clamping chuck, equipped with 4 jaws, ensures the tire stays securely in place during operation. Powered by a reliable CSA-certified electric motor, you can trust in its performance and durability. This dynamic shop essential can handle tires of any size, style, brand, or class without causing damage to the rim or tire, all while maximizing operator safety. Reduce the physical strain on yourself and your employees, making every workday a little easier with this electrically powered, air-pressurized compact automotive shop necessity. And if you need a more compact option, we also offer the TMG TTC42, a horizontal heavy-duty tire changer with a 26-inch rim capacity. Elevate your tire servicing capabilities with the TMG TTC42 heavy-duty truck tire changer, where efficiency meets reliability.